Hello students, very good morning. Today again we are talking about our BSc semester 2 related BSc BA semester 2 related mathematics topic or unit second, that is double and triple integrals and Dirichlet's integrals. Here we are discussing one question. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1, integration from y square to 1, integration from 0 to 1 minus z of z with respect to y, with respect to z and with respect to x. This we have to discuss. So in solution, here the given integral is 0 to 1 y square to 1 and from 0 to 1 minus z, as the limit is given in the form of y square and z variable, means y and z variable form is given in limits, so that's why we have to integrate it with respect to x first of all. So z you can take outside the integration sign because this z deals as a constant quantity with respect to x and then with respect to y with respect to z, like this. Now it will become like this: 0 to 1, integration from 0 to 1, integration from y square to 1, and z is constant with respect to x. If you are integrating, then it will be x and the limit is from 0 to 1 minus z with respect to y and with respect to z. Now it will become like this: integration from 0 to 1, integration from y square to 1 and z into 1 minus z minus 0, 1 minus z, upper limit minus lower limit. This upper limit we have to put first of all, that is 1 minus z, and then minus lower limit, that is minus 0. So it will be z into 1 minus z. Here what we have to write? Because with respect to x we are integrating, so y and z are constant. This we have to mention here. Now this part is, this is the function of z. So here we can integrate it with respect to z, as limit is given in the form of y with respect to y. So integration from 0 to 1, and here it will become integration from y square to 1, z minus z square with respect to z and then with respect to y. We can integrate it with respect to z. It will become z square upon 2 and this will become z cube upon 3. So z square upon 2 minus z cube upon 3, and then limit we have to put in this one. So 0 to 1, z square upon 2 minus z cube upon 3 from y square to 1, and with respect to y lastly we have to integrate it. But before this we have to put these limits. So let us put upper limit first of all. So it will become 0 to 1, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, because 1 square is 1 and 1 cube is also 1. So upper limit first of all and then minus lower limit. Lower limit means y square square means y raised to power 4 upon 2 minus into minus, because lower limit minus sign will be there and then this minus will multiply multiplied by that minus sign for solving limit. So minus into minus will become plus. And here it is y square raised to the power 3, that is y raised to the power 6. Y raised to the power 6 upon 3. And this complete we have to integrate with respect to y. On further solution, let us see what will happen. Further solution what we will here. It is integration from 0 to 1. As we know, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 means 3 minus 2 upon 6 on taking LCM 6. So it will be 3 minus 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 minus y raised to the power 4 upon 2 plus y raised to the power 6 upon 3, and with respect to y we have to integrate. So when we are integrating it with respect to y, then it will become 1 by 6 y. 1 by 6 is taken out because it is constant. Y from 0 to 1, and then minus y raised to the power 4 integration will be y raised to the power 5 upon 5. Y raised to the power 5 upon 5, that 5 is multiplied by 2 in denominator, so it will become 1 by 10. 1 by 10 from, and y raised to the power 5 from 0 to 1, and then plus again it will be y raised to the power 6, so y raised to the power 7 upon 7, its integration, so 7 is 21, 1 upon 21, y raised to the power 7 from 0 to 1 is y raised to the power 7 from 0 to 1. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Now, as we know, upper limit is 1, so that what this quantity will become 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 means that is 1, and here 1 raised to the power 5 minus 0 raised to the power 5. So it will again 1, and this will also be 1. So now it will become 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. Just like our previous question, but here the terms are variated according to the given limits. So 210 is its LCM. In table of 6, it is 35 times. So 35 minus 21 plus 10. 45 minus 20. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 4 minus 2 is 2. 24 upon 210. So 3 8s up. 3 7 and 4 upon 30. So this answer is again 4 upon 30. This is the answer. So this question is also now over. And it is just like our previous question. So you must solve it in that manner only. Remember this thing always, that we have to integrate with respect to that particular variable which is not given in limits. Z and y are given, that's why we are integrating it with respect to x also. And then on further solution, you will automatically come to know that these are the terms in the form of z. So that's why you will have to integrate it with respect to z. And lastly, and here limit is in the form of y. So that's why we have to integrate it with respect to z. Because limit is in the form of y. So here you can write that y is constant. Y is constant. And lastly, after putting these limits, it will become the function of y, this complete. So function of y should be integrated with respect to y. So only constant quantities are remaining in the limits. So those constant quantities are 0 and 1 lower and upper. And after integrating it, of course, integration you know very well. But with respect to which variable we have to integrate first and in which consequence manner we have to go, that we should have to determine. So lastly, putting limits 1 and 0, you get the final solution. This is only the conclusion for this such type of questions. And one more question I have explained, which is the triple integrals. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thanks.